Happy day, everyone. My name is Mike.
My name is Caleb.
And we are the Leon Girls.
Guerreros.
So what are we going to eat today, Caleb?
We are going to be eating land crab,
Okay.
rice.
Show everybody what the land crab looks like.
The land crab looks like that.
Did I get that right? Nope. What's going on?
There.
Right there. We're eating land crab. Okay. Stuffed with coconut, cooked with coconut milk.
Smoked pork.
Okay, where are you? There you go. Smoked pork.
And I don't know what that is.
Finideni.
Finideni and
We got
rice.
some white rice. All right. Let's go set that back down.
And then begin to eat.
We're going to begin to eat. Okay. All right. Ooh, look at that steam.
It's a big crab for me.
Yep. Right.
Whew.
Okay.
Don't forget about that
Yeah,
later
that
on.
dried pork. Okay. Careful because it's hot.
Okay, let's eat.
Yeah,
Dig
you
in.
gotta open up that. Careful because it's hot. You gotta take out that leaf.
Leaf.
The one that's tying it together. Right.
Got it.
So how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old.
How old are you?
Me? I am
20-some?
yeah, 20 some but 50. Ooh, this is a local
I was just kidding.
tomorrow dish. Alright. We can just put this back in the pot.
Me too. But how do I take that?
You got it?
Yeah.
There you go, slowly.
I got it.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh,
Let me know if you need help.
finger licking good.
I'm gonna try a little piece of this dry meat.
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait until later.
Mmm. It is good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm. Nope, turn it around.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh, I'm not gonna
That's
eat
the
that.
coconut in there. Yeah, that one's good. You don't eat that one? That's the best part. Try it, they got coconut in it.
Okay. Oh. There we go. Now I know what to do.
Mmm.
What is that white things in it?
Those are coconut. Try it.
I did.
You don't like it? I'll eat it.
That's the best part if you want.
Mm-hmm.
That you said.
Yep. So what's your favorite? What do you like to eat?
My favorite is fish and all kinds of seafood.
Ooh. You know what? You like mussels?
Yeah, mussels.
Grandma cooked mussel last night for dinner.
Darn.
Mm.
It's really hard. I can't break it.
Here, I'll break it for you.
There. That's in progress. And by the way, I'm his grandson.
Yep. He's the oldest grandboy.
I'm the only one with his last name in it.
Yeah, that's true. You're the only one that carried the Leon girl. Your brother, your cousin Jerome, has Leon girl.
I call him my brother.
Yeah, because that's your dad's sister's
Sister's
son.
So
And you guys are first cousins. So he's a Leon girl too, but it's Leon girl Tyron.
but I'm just Leon Guerrero.
Mm-hmm. Here. Probably we can ask our assistant to go get that nutcracker. Can you ask your assistant over there if she can go get that nutcracker?
Our assistant's my grandma. Can you go get the nutcracker?
Okay.
There.
How many?
What in a cooker?
Don't do, so we can use it to
Oh.
take out the meat. There. So we are eating land crab stuffed with coconut and vegetables
Let me try one of these, please.
and cooked in coconut milk. Mmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Give me one nutcracker. Right there. I broke Your picture. Mmm. Good?
This is the meat.
Here's some more. How come your assistant's not joining us?
Assistant, do you want some?
Later, don't feel good.
Okay.
So how's the meat and the crab?
Good.
Good? All right. Wow. It is so delicious. Look at that. Mmm. Wow. Finger licking good. Must be good because you're not talking a lot, Caleb.
I know.
Mmm.
This is going to the internet, right?
Hmm?
This is going to the internet.
Yep, that's why you need to stop.
So you guys should, if you're not allergic, you should try eating land crab. If your mom allows you to.
Mm-hmm.
My mom will definitely allow me to.
Oh, yeah? Your mom knows you like this? But there's some more meat. No one I crack. Use this on here to pull it out. See this? One of the claws, you can use this to take the meat out.
Oh, smart. Will we post this on YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm talking to the fans.
Oh, go ahead. Talk to your fans.
So when we post this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe and like it and share.
Yeah. And comment too, if you want.
So where are we from? What island are we from?
We're from the island of Guam. The very, very small island.
And it's located in the
Pacific Ocean.
Mm-hmm. And we are where America's first day begins.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Was that one have meat in it?
You know what I like to do? This part here. I like to take this one here, go like this, and suck in all those juice.
But first I have to break the legs out.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the intestines?
There's nothing.
What? Are you? Just gonna ask because I didn't see any.
Wow, look at that. Make sure you show them your food.
It's a small one.
And we have how many more crabs to eat? Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, and we're taking so long.
You like crab, huh?
Comment down below. Yeah, I do. But comment down below if you like crab. If you know me, then just say hi. Or comment hi.
Mm-hmm. Man, it'd be nice if we had a soda or some kind of juice, right?
Just talking like that, I'm thirsty now.
It's okay. We got water.
It's healthier and better.
Here's some more meat. You just got to use that pincher there to take it out.
My pincher tool. Wait, how do I use that?
Use it like a claw. Like, bring it down.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Some good stuff, Caleb.
Like
Especially the juice.
how? This. Are you supposed to use this to break it? I don't think I'll use that yet.
Like this.
Oh.
Sounds cool.
Good. And I do online schooling.
Oh, look at this meat. Look at that meat. Look at that one. Here. There's a big piece of meat.
Thanks.
There. You gotta get the meat that's in there.
Okay.
Whoop. Well, everyone, I'm Mike.
I'm Caleb.
And we are
We're the
Young Girls. And we just wanted to share what we're having for lunch today on the beautiful island of Guam. Anything you want to say?
Yes. This has been my dream for a long time to be on YouTube, but finally we are gonna do it, especially with my grandpa.
All right. Boom. Peace out. Yeah, and be safe. You saw that?
Yeah.
All right.
That's the tomorrow way.
All right.